reorient pedestrians in the shadowy snowfall. With a nod, they signaled to Mikhail to carry the baby outside. Andre and Kagan followed. Kagan's cheeks felt cold. His stomach felt colder. Too much, he thought. No more. The group passed between snow-covered cars parked alongside the curb. Headlights glowed in the street. Reaching the van, Victor pulled its side door open. Yakov scrambled in. Mikhail approached with the baby. Andre and Kagan followed. The baby squirmed in Mikhail's arms. I wanted to make the world better, Kagan thought. The baby cried. Mikhail held it with one arm while using his free hand to grip an armrest in the van and climb in.
What the